Okay, we're in Sunsun Park, but this is not actually our destination street. Our destination street is over here. There's Hotel Sunsun and Sunsun Park, and there's some nice graffiti in this back alley, so that's going to be our target street. So we're basically going to go down that. Before we go down, the Sunsun Park is kind of near the ocean. So you got all these ponds, pond 16, pond 10 right there, pond 9, and all the way down. But anyways, we're going to go down that street where behind the park and where all the graffiti is at. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's go on up, and we are gonna head over that way. I think that yellow one used to be like the Opium Museum. There's some kind of historical references to it. Sunsun Park. We're gonna jump on down. I think that's the Opium Museum. It's like a. It used to be. There's references to this being an Opium Museum, but I think now it's more of a health center. This yellow building right in here. And what I'm going to be doing is focusing on this little back street, but I'm going to give you a couple other references. Bocage, Praça de Ponte Horta. This is the Praça with the black and white tiles in the Sunsun Park, and even got some nice artwork up here too. Aliens. And there's some really cool stuff in the alley as well. There's also some nice artwork inside as well. Huh. Kind of a cool. So this is actually a hotel, so you can actually stay there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around the corner, and then we're going to try to capture it along with the artwork. So let's come around like this, and now you can catch Rua do Bocage. There you go. And also you got some other kind of cool stuff too, because you have this these kind of windows as well. We just kind of capture it like a 360 real quick. And now you got this, that's like the Opium Museum right there, that yellow building. And then it has, that's a health clinic, and then you have this kind of artwork right here. Like that. And then we're gonna go down this alley. Travessa dos Tréns. You got more down this alley as well. So this one is Travessa. That's going to be our target street today. Travessa dos Tréns. So yeah, really beautiful artwork and building. Okay, so let's slowly check out the artwork. The artwork has changed. I haven't been here in a little while. Yeah, it looks a little bit different. Got a hand that goes up like that. Come up like this. Okay, let me see what else we got. Oh, this one right here. I'm gonna target this one in a second, but this one looks like a Portuguese artist. and he has stuff at the Portuguese consulate and in type of village. So basically what he just does is he just chisels and creates the artwork. So I'm pretty sure that those are his initials right there. And then it's all basically he'll chisel out this material like that, and then he'll create an image. So now right there you can see the face really clearly. Yeah, that's like that angle right there is a perfect angle right there. So, okay, so that's a well-known Portuguese artist. I think that used to, I don't know, there's a danger sign, so there used to be a cafe right there. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some kind of interesting stuff down here. This is going to be our target street down that way, so we're going to go in here for a second. I just want to take a look and see what street this is. So yeah, this actually has a lot of pretty cool artwork as well. Let me just kind of zoom in on this one real quick. So that one is very detailed. Let me just come over here real quick. That one looks pretty amazing too. I'm just gonna walk. I should just do a whole street right here. I think this is called Antonio. I think I know the street. Travessa de Lorsa. Okay. Anyways, I may or may not know this street. I mean, I may or may not have filmed this street before, I mean. So we're gonna go back to our Travessa da Tréns. Oh yeah, there's the street right there. So later I'm gonna come and do that one, I think. Get some more details about it. Okay. Yes. Yes. And here's another one as well. Travessa dos Tréns. This is actually really photogenic. So that one right there is if the car wasn't there, that's the perfect place to get a nice picture. But that's the lane with all the artwork. And then you got some other artwork in these other lanes as well. So there's two other ones down that way. So this is actually going to turn into another street, Rua do Tesouro. It is pretty cool though. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a quick glance down the street. Rua do Tesouro is something a little bit different. There's a music venue there. Huh. Let me just come down real quick. Music kitchen. And they got some construction down that way. Music kitchen. It's all in Chinese. I think that was a supermarket before. So, huh. Okay, so we're gonna come back this way. And so that was Travessa dos Tréns, and then this will come back out and we'll kind of do a 360, or a, not a 360, but a horseshoe shape. Oh, that's also Rua do Tesouro as well. So, okay. So let me just kind of do a quick little 360 here. All kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. London Hotel. And we basically just went around the whole side. So we came around the whole building. We got all the artwork. as well. Then we kind of move up this way. So we basically started over there, and then we basically went around that building and we did our trains straight. And we're gonna end right there. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.